What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll show you a simple step-by-step method on how to draw Iron Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a curve for the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's curve this down in the middle. And we'll bend that back up towards the right, towards the same height. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw two short lines on either side. So we move over towards the left, draw one line coming down. Move over towards the right and draw that same length line. From the bottom, we'll curve the eye, going straight across, and then bend that up on the end. And we'll pull this up and out in an angle towards the brow. Let's go out to the side of the brow. It's going to angle this down and then out towards the cheekbones. And then from here, we want to bend this in, all the way down towards the chin on the left, and then the right side. Let's round up the chin, coming down and then up. Now from these two corners, draw two short angle lines going up and in, and we'll flatten off the top. From these 2 points, we want to taper this up and out towards the side. So we'll start with the left, going up, and we'll bend that out, do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line going across, and from the ends, angles down and out. Now I want to trace these three lines along the bottom. So we'll start on the left, going across, and then down, and we'll fill the inside of that gap. Now from these 2 points in the cheeks, we'll step in, draw two straight lines coming all the way down towards the jaw. And then from the jaw, we're going to angle this down and in towards the outside corner of the chin. From the top of the jaw, we step in at a curve, going down and then in towards the side. Now I'm going to go back to the cheeks and draw a straight line going up along the side of the head to right about there. And the same thing on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and round out the top of the head. We go up, round out the head, go across, and then bend that down. Let's add those covers along the side of the head, starting on the left, then it's out, around the cheek, and then in. Let's go back up to the outside of the brow, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the top, just underneath the top curve of the head. From here, bend this up and then in. And we'll pull this down and in towards the middle. And close off the center with a slight curve. Let's add a bevel along the side of the head. From this point, we're going to curve this in and then down towards the outside of the eye. In and then down. Let's sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a simple illustration of Iron Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.